Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a gift card to MakeMyTrip. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is open up a web browser. Now from here we need to head on over to MakeMyTrip.com. And now for this demonstration I'm just going to book a hotel. So I'm going to click on hotels, and now I'm just going to search for hotels. Alright, once it loads, I'm just going to choose a random hotel to book. So I'm going to book this one here. Now basically we need to get near the checkout section to add in your gift card. So yep, I like the look at this, so I'm going to book this one, this hotel. Alright, so to add a gift card we need to get to the next page. On the right you'll see coupon codes, so if you want to activate any one of them, go ahead and activate a coupon code. You can click on view all, and it says here MMT gift cards can be applied at the payment step. So we need to get to the payment step to add in our coupon code, or sorry, our gift card. So I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to click on pay now, and then on the next page this is where you can add the gift card. So once it loads I'll just show you where to add that in. Alright, so we're on the payment where it says payment options. On the left hand side we've got a few different options here. So right at the bottom we've got gift cards and e-wallets. Go ahead and click on gift cards and e-wallets, and then we've got MakeMyTrip gift card. So click onto that, and now you need to enter in your 16-digit MakeMyTrip gift card and the 6-digit PIN, and then go ahead and click on add to my account, and whatever that gift card amounts to you can deduct that off the total price of your hotel, flight, etc.